Hello, guys. Hello, hello. Hello, everyone. How's your weekend? How's your Monday? Mm. Yesterday was like not worth it, honestly. I traded AM session with my group and I got break-even trade on my funded account. So I was up like almost $100 from 16 accounts. So it's like break-even trade for me. Or 90, $99. I don't remember. So it's between 90 or $99 on all my Apex accounts, not all 16 accounts. I did not trade my 4 accounts from there. So yesterday was bearish, not going to lie, and this move up on NQ was like well, I'm a little bit sick, but that's fine. I was trying to short yesterday, and yeah, I stepped out at break even. Actually, in small profit, I entered the trade with my group and said I'm going to close right now because I feel like it's going to reverse right now, and we close this trade. So I was up like $100, maybe a little bit less, like $90, $99. I don't remember, but it was like kind of unexpected. I mean, previous week high was taken, and I was fine with this, but continuation higher was like, I mean, Friday high on yes was my target. Like, not going to lie, it was obvious. Yeah, I remember you killed this yesterday. Yeah, it was perfect short yesterday before market close. Yeah, it was nice. But I was like, NQ, what are you trying to do right now? It was crazy. Um, of course. Well, going to add new nodes. Unfortunately, I deleted all my drawings yesterday. Fractal model. 1 hour sweep. 5 minute structure. That's notes for today and for next streams. For 5 minute structure, look for 1 minute inversion fair value gap. Reason 5 minute structure. Within 5 minute structure for entry. 15 minute sweep. That's 1 minute structure or T spot. It's up to you how you want to call this. 1 minute structure. Structure. Look for 1 minute change in the state of delivery. 1 minute structure. Guys, if you see any typos, let me know. That's for fractal model. Let's use blue color for this. Background, white color. Okay. We'll put this right here and yeah, like this. Next one for stat map. I see. I see. Step map. Next one. That's our models based on indicators, okay? That map. daily levels. No, like this. Bearish bias. Look for no above daily open. No, not like this. Give me 1 second, guys. Between daily open and bearish manipulation. Wait for 15-minute inversion fair value gap. Aim for daily open as a partial and final target will be bullish manipulation. Guys, I will read the chat in 1 minute. Bullish bias. Between daily open. Actually, I can copy this and just pick some notes. Between daily open and bullish manipulation. Bullish manipulation went for 15-minute inversion. Aim for daily open and partial target, and will be bearish manipulation. Yeah. Period right here. Next one and last one. 4-hour levels. 2 5-minute inversion fair value gap. Oops, I'm sorry, guys. And same right here. Same note right here. I'm going to make this text a little bit smaller. So 5-minute inversion fair value gaps. Okay. For our open right here and partial final. Okay, perfect. Same right here. So 5-minute inversion fair value gap. Aim for our open. Here we go. Done. Let me make this text a little bit smaller. 18 and 18. I guess still smaller. Guys, can you see the text right here? It's hard to read or not? Let me read the chat. It's fine, okay. Sweep means we closed within previous candle range. So basically, this is sweep right here. See? So this candle 2 closed within candle 1 range right here. Well, if it's easy to see, I'm going to leave it right here. Perfect. So my plan for now and for today. Maybe I need to move this a little bit like this. It overlaps my candles right here. Yeah, should be better right now. I guess I need to change on black color. A little bit easier to read, I guess. Well, my plan for today is to see if we made a trace higher. I would say attempt to take daily open on both ES and NQ. And after this, if 5-minute change in the state of delivery offered, I would like to look for short and aim for equilibrium of previous range and previous week high test. So basically my 2K levels right now, and once again, kind of hard to try this short because even yesterday was bearish and it just continued going higher, like almost 200 points. So basically, if we made a trace higher, ideally to New York midnight open on ES and 5-minute bearish order block from this New York midnight open. And if it's going to be SMT between ES and NQ, it's going to be even better. So look for move lower. So previous week low will be my like first target, and final target is going to be equilibrium of quarter to daily cycle. And ideally, I will look for short after retracement. I highlighted this inversion for a value gap because seems like it's a part of, let me hide drawings from here. It's a part of 5-minute structure right here. So once again, we got 5-minute structure right here, basically 5-minute T spot, right? We want to read this. We got 5-minute structure based on 1-hour sweep. Okay, 5-minute structure. Look for 1-minute inversion for a value gap over here within 5-minute structure for entry. So this 5-minute structure or T spot on 5-minute chart right here, this gray box, and this 1-minute inversion within this structure. So basically that fits our rule right here to short. For example, to London low retest and something like this, but ideally to retrace higher first, and after, if it may offer SMT near New York midnight open and Asia high, look for short to equilibrium of previous range. So that's basically the plan right now. Kind of hard to short for me immediately. If it wants to drop, that's fine. I mean, tomorrow is FOMC. I'm fine if it wants to be choppy price action today, but preferably once again to move us higher first, and then if it may create 5-minute structure to try to short. That's pretty much it. Most likely I'm going to trade yesterday because even yesterday, yes, was a little bit more obvious. Friday high was obvious target, but NQ was like, okay, it wants to go up, but I don't know where. Like, no one. I guess no one actually have idea where market wants to go. Well, that's fine. So, well, now we're just going to wait. Ideally, the trace lower, and I have this 4-hour fair value gap. As you can see, I highlighted this 4-hour fair value gap. Also, 50% of this gap right here. So since we got new contract, we got solid gap right here. So on 15-minute chart. From where I highlighted? I don't remember. Oh, market is open. Okay, never mind. Okay, I'm going to leave it. It's right here, this gap. Not RTA chart. Okay, market trying to retrace lower. This purple box is potential retracement area right here, so that's why I highlighted. Previous day low failed to be taken on a yes. Let me connect my accounts right now. I'm going to trade Apex today again, and let's see. So far I have planned to trade ES, but maybe something may change. I don't know. So looking for this purple box right here, so potential retracement area. Yes, we are going to switch our contract. If you don't want to trade in Q, you can type in NQH 2025, and here's your new contract right here. So we trace to my purple box too close to equilibrium of previous range. If they want to take this level, unfortunately, this means no trades for me. As you can see, I put my magnet right here. Let me hide 50% right now. Because I expected to get this level today, and I want to aim for this level, but only after retracement up. Which I would say kind of made sense. So let's see how we can react from this purple box. Purple box based on projections on 5-minute chart. That's basically the range between 4 and 4.5 standard deviation projections. So previous day low taken. Where's previous day low on in Q? Oh, that's still has room to go lower. So far, this 5-minute structure trying to play out, as you can see. So if I want to switch on 1-minute chart, we got exactly what I mentioned right here. So basically, 5-minute structure after hourly sweep, right? Not right here. It was right here. If I want to bring this back, give me 1 second. Based on this hourly structure right here, see, we got sweep. So basically, we are going to do this together once again. 1 hour sweep. Yes, we got this. 5-minute structure or 5-minute T-spot offered, and then 1-minute inversion. So basically, played out. So far, trying to respect my purple box. That's 1-minute chart, right? Okay. The trace back to London low, basically offered RCH test once again. First conservative target from I actually wanted to short from here all the way down to equilibrium of previous range. So this conservative target equilibrium of previous range. So I like how it's trying to respect this fair value gap, since it also retraced to this liquidity level right here. That's fine. So let's see if it wants to create order block right here. So far it's not order block, right? Keep waiting. Crystal ball is right here, so don't worry. Crystal ball is right here. So that's minor closure. Can be order block. So if it wants to offer displacement, so let's see. So far, I don't really trust this minor closure. Also would like to keep my eyes on ES, because most likely I'm going to trade ES today. So that's not enough for me to trust this as order block. Would like to also highlight this fair value gap right here. I will leave this as regular fair value gap for now. Regular fair value gap. Why? Because with this break above this fair value gap, it just created equal high. So still can be potential fair value gap even with this closure above this. Let's see. Let me check YM. YM trying to push us higher. Well, want to take 9 AM high right now. Almost took this level. That's crazy. But honestly, it makes sense to trace higher right now, overall on both ES and NQ. Today looks like a hard day. Not really, so not really. It's just still too early, so we may get set up today, or maybe we are going to trade PM session tomorrow. So most likely not going to even try to trade AM session tomorrow. But we'll see this. We will see. So it's still just too early. Market is open like last 6 minutes only. OIM took 9 AM high right here. Nice. That's strange. So I don't like how ES and NQ still in deep discount right now. Let's see if immediate trace higher. If so, that's going to be amazing. If not, then it's not going to be amazing. That's still regular fair value gap as long as we're below this high right here. So I will rename this equal highs. It's going to go higher. I'm fine, so I'm not going to argue with you. Just no reason for me to long. We can anticipate whatever we want. We can say today it's going to like bounce like 200 points. It doesn't mean like we will find entry for this. That's still regular fair value gap once again, as long as we stay below this equal highs. No reason for us to consider this as inversion yet. We are 30 points away from equilibrium of previous range. Yeah, that's still too early, so that's fine. Let's see if it wants to be propulsion block. Not yet. Yes, that's why I put this magnet icon right here near equilibrium of previous range, since that seems like perfect target, especially after expansion yesterday. Yes, we're expecting to get equilibrium of previous range, and yes, we're expecting to get possible daily immediate rebalance. That's great point. Yes, I have this level on my chart as well. Good to know I'm not alone with my levels. That's not propulsion block yet. Hello, hello. Offered some sort of SMC right now on lower time frame. Can you use this idea? Yes, absolutely so. Yeah. So guys, still no reason to force any trades right now. I will check YM once again. YM trying to retrace after taking a 9 AM high. Stuck near equilibrium of this leg up. Well, I hope to get a stat map. Stat map still suggests nothing good for me yet. Going to show you. We are way below daily manipulation level. We just reached daily distribution level. What makes sense for me is just to trace back to daily open. Ideally, this level lines up with New York midnight open. So once again, if we want to trade daily levels, we must follow this rule right here. We must wait for, if we have bullish bias, we must follow this rule right here. Between daily open and bullish manipulation, wait for 15-minute inversion fair value gap. Maybe that's not really smart to wait for inversion fair value gap. 5 minutes left. Okay, if it may invert this fair value gap, we still may get, I would say, let me see how many. 50 points. It's not really perfect. Maybe we will trust for our levels. We will see so. Do we have any news today? I guess not. It's going to be low impact news at 10. It's not significant. I like that for our open and daily open right now, pretty much at the same like level. It's like 5 points difference. It's not a big deal. Ideally to retrace. So without retracement, it's so hard for me to even look for short. Yes, my initial plan is wait for move higher. As you can see, I put alert icon right here. I was expecting to get Asia high right at the open. Like it's going to be like quick move up with 5-minute order block, bearish order block to short all the way down to equilibrium of previous day range and possible daily immediate rebalance. And then, I mean, still inside potential retracement area right here. Let me rename this. I forgot to give it a name. Retracement. Yeah, right here. Overall, I would like to see move up first and then move down. So that's an initial plan. We'll try to stick to this plan right now. Just highlight for our bullish fair value gap on your chart, which was also measuring gap, this fair value gap. I feel like we need to retrace to this fair value gap. It's like, once again, measuring gap. Here's measuring gap projection. It's not done yet, but even if we retrace to this fair value gap and continue going higher, I will be fine with this. Also, if you look at this leg right here, after, I would say, accumulation, it was pretty much manipulation, trying to retrace from the range between 2 and 2.5. Usually we expect to get retracement down to the range between 1 and 1.5. Specifically, we want to find fair value gap right there. This fair value gap looks nice. So, overall, I would like to see the test of our fair value gap today. If you can get it, perfect. Amazing. If not, then okay. Okay. I'm not going to lie, yesterday was kind of hard to read for me, especially in Q. Yes, maybe was fine, but in Q was so hard to read. Especially when I was like bearish and it continued going higher. I was like, okay. I was trying to short, closed in small profit, and like, I'm done. I'm not going to execute today anymore. Yeah, I remember. So far trying to respect your level right here. So at least I'm happy I ended up being green yesterday, because it could be like big loss. And sometimes it's like perfect to just feel that market is going to be against you right now. And sometimes it's just nice to close, even if like you see this as solid continuation, solid setup for your short. Yesterday I just like started feeling like, looks like it's going to be against me. And I closed. YM, what are you trying to do? YM just dropped so hard. Crazy. Funny to see when YM was trying to go higher, ESNQ was trying to go lower, and right now, YM is dropping, and then ESNQ trying to retrace higher. What? What? You got a huge red day yesterday. Yeah, that was hard for me, and sometimes when I feel like I see that my bias is against the real bias, I prefer to close my chart. That's why we don't trade YM. Exactly. Daily open retest. Looking 15 minutes. We don't have any fair value gaps yet, right? That's fine. Looking at 5-minute potential inversion fair value gap, or 2-minute inversion. No, 5-minute inversion is going to be right here. So let's highlight this. It's about to invert this fair value gap right here. I will highlight too. Because if we may invert this, ideal to continue going higher to daily open. I'm going to switch back on 1-minute chart right now. Yeah, we will see. So let's see if we may bounce to daily open right now. So ideally, small retracement down, order block right here with displacement, if we can get this. Once again, order block with displacement, we can look for this trade. We will look for this trade. Once again, order block plus displacement. Let's see. Makes sense for me to go higher first, to take, for example, Asia low, and at this point, I would like to see ES. Maybe that's too much to ask for New York midnight open, but at least London high. I don't really use first presented fair value gap, but yeah, I keep this in mind. Not trades, obviously, right now. We don't have any trade ideas at all. All I can see right now is this 15-minute sweep, and see this 15-minute candle right here. Absolutely crazy week. So that's why I said if it may retrace lower, create 1-minute OB plus displacement, we can try this. Otherwise, no, thank you. Just no, thank you. You trace back down to 5-minute inversion fair value gap. Okay, I'm going to connect my accounts right now and micros as always. No, thank you. Yes. When we have two fair value gaps in a row, makes sense to highlight both fair value gaps as potential inversion. So it's your face and voice. What do you mean? I'm a little bit sick right now, so I don't know if you can hear this, but looking for potential longs soon. Trying to displace right now. I like it. On yes, I will aim for London high and then New York midnight open. So maybe we'll try yes since maybe we'll try yes. Less risk. I would say same for ES or block plus displacement. Stop loss below weekly open or this equal highs. So let's wait for displacement to consider potential trade. No displacement right here, but order block offered. That's okay, but it's not still for me to trade. And then possible New York midnight open. Seems nice. Let's wait for same idea with displacement. No trades for me yet. Like not worth it yet. See, order block offered, but no displacement. That's a great sign for us to stay away. No trades, guys, yet. Absolutely nothing. No trade ideas even yet. So it will be potential trade idea with displacement. Same for here, but once again, cannot see displacement yet. Maybe it wants to trade slightly lower. I would say to take this liquidity level right here. Since it also can be potential OB. Yeah, maybe it's going to be something similar to this. I don't know yet, so we'll see. I'm not in rush right now. No reason to long in Q 100% for me. No displacement. On yes, still trying to hold the structure, bullish structure. Maybe I will aim for this level. Right here, London high and New York midnight open. Still no trade, so not in trade. I'm sorry, guys. Just be careful, especially within Q right now. My equilibrium of previous range. Do you have another level? Let me know. Why? I'm going to check right now. Maybe it's totally fine. I could make mistakes. So I measured. Let's see. I measured from New York midnight open, like exactly at 12 a.m. all the way up to the high. Where did you measure? from 12 a.m. To high yesterday, previous day high level. Oh, you're new here. Welcome to our family. You mean displacement in discount for ES or in Q? No, I mean, if I want to long, I would like to see order block holds, and since seems like it's going to be another order block right here with momentum right here, so basically it's going to be like big candle right here, up close candle. Overall, I would like to see lower, but after retracement up. Ideally, to see lower today, but makes sense right now. I retrace higher first, and ideally, I want to see retracement higher right at the open. Instead of just continue going lower. I mean, I'm fine with this. Just expected to get a little bit different picture. So that's totally fine. So when I can invalidate order block, if order block will be absolutely high probability order block with displacement. Without this, like, no, thank you. No, thank you. I will trade a yes once again. I'm waiting for setup on yes. Oops. Right now on NQ, absolutely zero chance for me to long. Like nothing tells me to long right now, and if I can avoid taking unnecessary losses, I will do this. So absolutely nothing tells me to long. On ES as well, so I will trade ES. By once again, guys, it's not trade idea yet. We are waiting for the action. It's not trade idea yet. We are not in this trade yet. Okay. We have same resistance level, 367. It's like 15-minute inversion, by the way, as well. 380. Yeah, I would say it's like I'm sorry, guys. 15-minute fair value gap, regular fair value gap. So I continue sitting on my hands right now. No reason for me to force any trade. So far I took 0 trades, like 0 trades. In case you don't want to trust me. But my interest only in ES once again. Once this order block with displacement offered, I will tell you guys. So this is where I will consider potential trade. Otherwise, we just continue going lower, unfortunately, and that's fine. That's fine. Trying to respect 1 hour fair value gap. Well, okay. Still, I will look for entry on ES only. So it's trying to displace right now. So basically, with displacement, stop loss is going to be somewhere right here. A little bit bigger than I expected. So let's see if we can get entry. Otherwise, no. Let me check stat map chart. Much like stat map right now because pretty much consolidation so far. Yeah, no trade yet. Because on NQ, I feel like if you want to long right now, it's going to be unnecessary losses without confirmation. We just retraced to the bottom of inversion for a value gap, another retest of London low. That's perfect, but still not enough for me to say, oh my god, I would like to long right now. No. Nothing tells me about this long yet. Okay. I will take long on ES only. So far, just my point of interest is ES. Let me check high time frame on ES. Yeah, kind of would like to see this picture. trying to displace right now. So let's see if we can get an entry. If so, then it's going to be perfect. If not, then it's going to be also perfect. Where is my mouse? Let's see. I will use market order as always. My crystal ball is with me as always. Waiting for confirmation from CL a little bit later, okay? I'm just trying to focus right now, if you don't mind. Nothing yet. Looking for entry right now. Thinking when I can reduce my stop loss. Nothing yet, guys. Looking for entry right now, but trying to see where can I get better entry with better stop loss. Trying to displace right now, I like it. But let's see. Still keep my eyes on this ES chart. This up close candle, last up close candle right here. 5-minute chart. Where's my 5-minute chart? And it trades back to 5-minute inversion so far. Let's see. I'm not on trade yet, guys. What is your highest team view? I have no idea. Actually, I don't look at this yet. I mean, like, I don't care. Looking at the Q chart, fractal model right here. I'm still trying to hold bullish 1-minute structure. Guys, I'm not in this trade yet. I'm looking for entry, but once again, not in yet. What about yes? Yes also offered 1-minute structure. Not in yet. Not sure if you can see my chart right here. So basically, that's not 1 hour. That's 1-minute structure right here. Offered OB with displacement right here, but still, I feel like it's like still risky for me to take this trade. Yeah, still not worth it. Continue waiting. So basically, that's paid indicator that shows us high time candles. But once again, if you just want to have high time candles, just type high time candles and pick this one. I believe my funded account just once for 2 years. I don't know if it would help me to be profitable, honestly. Yes, long. Oh my god! Oh my god! Why you're so fast right now? Don't do this, please. Yet, I will tell you we're working long. Please, be careful. If you can trust me, please try to stay away from NQ long right now, as I said before. Yeah, just please wait. Oh, $3 stop loss, then wait. That's well. Just please. It's not trade. Let me remove this. So maybe you consider this a trade idea. It's not trade idea yet, but it will be once we can get displacement with order block. Then it just took a loss. It's okay. So if she saws it up, then that's fine. I'm not going to discuss someone's trades because every single trader has different strategies, right? Still no trades, so sitting without trade so far. I'm fine with this. I'm sorry, guys. Watermark indicator. The trader watermark. I'm going to send the link right now. Watermark indicator. It's so hot right here. Once again, I'm not going to short without retracement up. Even if it was my target, original target, and then possible daily limited rebalance. Okay. Okay. Keep going lower. Well, without retracement, absolutely zero reason for me to short. I'm fine with this. You're welcome. Yeah, still not worth it, honestly. Not worth any risk right now to take any trades. I'm fine with this. Continue waiting. By the way, classic December price action. I would say December pretty much good price action so far for me. I mean, I did not have any losing trades. But guys, know this. I said I did not have any losing trades. Time to have losing trade. Because every single time when I say, it's like, no losing trades for me, like, for a long time. Next day, I'm red. Like, classic picture. So, all I want to, like, know right now, if no setup, no trades. Well, what I can see right now on NQ, another 5-minute structure trying to be offered right here. We don't have 1 minute. What time it was? 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Okay. 70 points away from my key level. No reason to long in queue, like 100%. Like 101%. No reason to long in queue. Okay, we got 1 hour structure. Where's my 1 hour structure? Right here. 5 minutes, 5 minute T spot. We don't have 1 minute inversion, unfortunately. So I'm going to show you this 5 minute structure right here. So basically going to turn this on. So on 1 minute chart, it's going to show you 5 minute structure. As you can see, we did not get any inversion right here, but maybe order block may work. I don't know yet, we'll see. Equilibrium of previous range was taken. Unfortunately. Why unfortunately? Because if retracement higher than equilibrium of previous range, that's amazing. Well, what about ES? Let's check ES on 5-minute chart. Actually, two structure overlaps each other, basically bullish and bearish structure. That's crazy. No reason to trust ES right now at this point. Really nice VWAP reaction. Okay, nice. Let's highlight this order block, especially let's highlight 50% of this order block. So basically, usually we may get displacement from order block after displacement from mean threshold of this order block. So let's highlight and let's see. So that's the retracement area. We got like really small retracement so far. That's fine. With displacement from this order block, we still can get 80 points. That's not bad. I'm going to switch back on MNQ right now. Lost interest in a yes. For now. This is 1 minute order block, not 5-minute order block. Seems like I have lots of levels on my chart, but it's not actually. Just my chart looks ugly. So right now we just tested 50%. This dotted line is 50% of this OB, so be careful. I would say as long as stay below this 50%, it's going to be bearish sign for us. But with solid break and closure, it's going to be invalidation. So what are you trying to do? Yes, what are you trying to do? Just tell me. Not trade ideas for now at all. That's fine. Oh, you still long on yes? Okay. March contract. So we got solid break above this mean threshold. That's not bearish anymore in short-term perspective. Stat map trying to tell me it's 10 a.m. So let's check this out. So basically right now, oh my god. So right now we got move from 4 open all the way down to this manipulation level. I don't mind to see at least an attempt to trace higher to this manipulation level, 347. 347. 347, so right here. But I'm looking trade on yes only. No trades yet if you just joined. What we expect to get is retracement up, then move down. If it's going to be just move down, this means no trades for me. So we may look for long to short later. Just what I would like to see is retracement higher and then move lower. Unfortunately, equilibrium of previous direction taken, it was my like TP number 1. Unfortunately, failed. I mean, not failed, just dropped without me. And then possible daily immediate rebalance, that's final target. It's not tough market, guys. Just try to adjust your model to market conditions. That's pretty much it. And that's totally fine to change your bias during the day. That's totally fine. So, of course, it can be all wrong. I check YM once again. YM trying to play games, strange games. Drop, then it trades back to premium and another drop. Oh, so trade. Once you see trade ideas, this means I will be in trade. So we don't have trade ideas yet. So trade idea basically, for example, it's not trade idea right now, guys. It's not trade idea. It's, for example, I draw this and said it's trade idea. This means I'm going to enter right now. Have you shifted to March contract? Yes. Not trades yet, guys. Absolutely zero trades taken. My balance is perfect. Guys, I'm not in trade right now. I'm not long. I'm not in short. Just waiting for confirmation, or at least a yes and Q to be in sync right now. It's just crazy right now. I still would like to see retracement higher, and I will look for potential long setup. But once again, I'm going to wait. My stop loss, since I increased my size recently, my stop loss right now between $300 and $400, so I can afford it. But my trades like 3R and higher and more, so 4R, 6R. SMT, I mean, SMT works. What else do you want to hear from me? By the way, let's check SPX right now. Okay, that's crazy. So basically, open below this gap right here. Okay. Closure and open of this candle right here. Okay. Here's RTH gap. Do we have any other RTH gaps? Let's extend this one on SPX chart. I know lots of levels, but I'm going to remove this field one. So basically we have sell stops on SPX right here, and it's it looks like it really wants to reach bottom of our old RTH gap right here. Yeah, let's see. I'm going to set alert at SPX right now at this low, trying to detect psychological level of old RTH gap. Right here, I'm going to remove starting points. No, actually, I'm going to leave one because right now it's key level for me on SPX. So on SPX, I would like to see lower. This means yes may go slightly lower as well at this point. Oh, still trying to drop lower. Okay. So basically, we got reclaimed fair value gap right here with the test right here. Still trying to go lower, and previous week low is 7 points away. Actually, initial idea was, that's annoying. I'm going to show you something right now. So that was my initial idea. As you can see, pre-market plan was posted at 8:44. So I was looking for retracement up. At the open, it may try to retrace to New York midnight open. Since this level failed to be taken between 2 a.m. and 9 a.m., so that was the plan. And if it managed to offer 5-minute order block, I will look for short to aim for previous day low, basically RTH test, and partial target at previous week as partial target. Final target previous week low level. So unfortunately, looks like it wants to drop without me. I'm totally fine if it wants to drop without me. This means, I mean, my plan was run. Your Discord is purple color. Actually, I like pink and purple color, so yes. You don't like it? Come on. You just added to your long position. Okay, listen to me. When you're like in losing position like initially, never, ever, ever, ever add to losing positions. Just trust me, it's much easier to take small loss and just look for another entry. But never, ever try to add to losing positions. Trust me, it's like it's going to kill you one day. Even if it's going to be like $75 stop loss, never ever do this. So basically, when we got 1 hour sweep and 5-minute C spot, we are looking for 1 minute inversion for a value gap. That's right. We got resistance at 302. Okay. So, but yeah, okay, let's see. What I can see right now is indicator trying to let me know that we got another bearish structure right here. Right here. Oops, right here. Well, we are going to switch back on 1 minute chart, and what we can see, let's open this again. Did we get any inversion for value gaps? Basically right here. Let me hide this. So considering this structure and this setup over here, right here, I must short from here, just based on this structure, guys, and aim for this level right here. So basically, we got 5-minute structure right here. Look for 1 minute inversion within 5-minute structure. So basically, we got this. I hope it's like, oh my god, it's ready to drop 20 points. Okay. Not in this trade. So basically, if you want to follow this rule right here, this is the setup that we got. I'm not on this trade. I missed this trade, so it's not trade idea. We're just trying to see how we can react based on this fractal model. Just offer it immediate rebalance right here. Let's see if it can hold this immediate rebalance. I will try to short. It's going to be less than 70 points already, unfortunately, but still. No trade, so nothing I like. It's not trade idea yet, guys. It's just like we're trying to test this strategy right here. It's not my model, guys. It's just T-Trade's fractal model right here. And we're trying to see how it's going to follow these rules right here. Trying to offer displacement so far. Let's see. So I don't mind to take this trade. Let's see if we may displace right now. Funny to see, but on yes, I still don't see. I don't want to see lower. On yes, I still would like to see move higher to London high and then drop. It's not trade idea, guys. I'm not on this trade. Oh, you can see this actually. We're just trying to test this fractal model. Let's put the note. Fractal model test. I cannot see my strategy right here. It's just fractal model test. It's not what I trade. How can I move it? That's fractal model test. Let's see. I am not bearish. I would like to see higher and then lower. But once again, market absolutely doesn't care what I would like to see. Unfortunately, can you see yes chart? So yes, trying to offer inversion right here below previous day low level. Trying to displace, so if it wants to displace, I will take it. So we'll reduce my stop loss to the 50% right here. Trying to displace, not looking for entry. Basically equal lows on yes right now. Okay. Pretty much offer displacement from this order block right here. It doesn't really look bad, especially with this order block and displacement. Confirmation with fractal model and inversion fair value gap. Yeah, it looks nice for this displacement to try this trade. How big risk right here? 23 points. 23 points. How can I reduce my risk above this order block actually? 18 points. Just give me 1 second. I'm trying to focus right now. If any questions, ask me in a couple of minutes. So I like this trade, so looking for entry right here. So back on the MNQ. I was like, what's wrong with my chart? How many contracts? I have no idea. Oh, that's December contract. I need March contract, right? Why I cannot switch on March contract right now? What? I cannot switch right now. Why? M and Q March. I cannot find it for some reason. What? Of course, once I decided to trade. Micros. I cannot find it. I guess I can trade December contract still, right? Why it doesn't want to offer me this March contract? I don't know. Well, December contract. Can I execute it? I guess I can. I will try in December contract, I guess. Stupid. It's like 300 points difference. Well, I have no idea what target is then. Okay, how many points? I don't know. That's annoying. I want to say. Let me open. I don't know if I can. NQZ 2024. I guess I cannot find this chart anymore. Oh my god. Are you serious? I deleted all drawings, of course. Okay. I will execute on December contract. Just will adjust, I guess. Ninja is lagging right now. Okay. Looks like it's still working December contract. Just have no idea where I need to put my target. Well, I don't know. Because I see December contract still moving. Chart looks pretty similar. I wanted to trade upstep today. Come on, Dasha, why did you change your mind? What was wrong with you? Come on, Dasha, what was wrong with you? Okay, I'm going to start top step, I guess, right now. Top step. Because December looks like still moving. I don't know if I can execute on top step. I mean, not top step, December contract on Ninja Trader. Let me read the chart. Just trade top step. I need to log in there, so it will take so much time. Because when I'm trying to... okay, I'm going to execute on December contract. It looks like it's still trying to move. Pretty similar chart. I don't know. How many points? What this level means? Let me open NQG. I don't know. NQZ 2024. Well, completely two different pictures. Well, I'm going to spend just 5 minutes or 10 minutes on this. Okay, this means if it's going to be 218, this level is 923 from old contract. Well, 923. So this partial is at 923 based on old contract. And previous week high level is... previous week high level is 908. It's 908 then. Well, this means this partial is going to be, if it's still trying to trade December contract with me, is 923 for some magical reason. And previous week high level is going to be 908. Well, Just spend 10 minutes on trying to figure this out. That's annoying. Okay, let's see if it wants to play out. Just annoying. Need to look for another entry right now. Just if I want to log out from NinjaTrader, log in, back, log in again, it's going to take like 5 minutes at least. I will stick to December contract, guys. I don't know if it's going to be a violation of any rules. I don't know. Because this morning I saw the message that it's going to be roll over, and I was like, okay, I put like yes, roll my contract. And right now it's just December contract. I'm not going to spend my time on this right now because I know if I want to log out and log in, it's going to take so much time. It's better for me to look for another entry right now. Well, annoying. That's fine. Believe another displacement. We'll enter on December contract, so basically partial will be 920. Is it this level? I guess so. It's approximately same level right here. I guess not to the tick, but still. Okay, waiting for displacement. If another displacement offered, I will take it. Since I missed a digital trade, a digital entry. I mean, that's fine, just unwin. I'm sorry, guys. Why are we trying to consolidate? Market makers waiting for me? I don't mind. Thank you for waiting for me. I cannot see short setup on ES, by the way. Honestly. Do we have any SMT? Not really, looks like. I'm very disappointed with NinjaTrader right now, since I already could get like at least 15 points, but that's fine, just annoying. I spent my 10 minutes, like, wasted my time. Okay. I need to decolor. Yeah, I'm looking for another entry, so basically I missed my original entry for trying to fix problem with NinjaTrader. Okay, guys, I don't have time to redraw this, I guess. Waiting for another displacement. Unfortunately, I'm not in this trade. Unfortunately. Hmm. You'll try to log out right now still, since I'm waiting. Since I'm waiting, I'm going to try to log out right now. And guys, I'm so sorry that it's going to take so much time with my trades right here. I know that's annoying. Just give me one moment. I'm going to try this figure out. I'm sorry, guys. Definitely annoying, but it is what it is. Okay. Okay. Just log out and log in. We'll try to look once again for micros, March contract. Oh, I can see this right now. Okay, plan. Seems same plan. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Okay, back to chart right now. I would say same plan for waiting for another displacement then to the end of the trade. At the end there to look for another entry. The price action is crazy. It looks like, yeah. Kind of interesting. On yes, I still have no interest in shorts. I cannot see displacements from anywhere. Guys, I missed this trade so originally. So I will adjust this, okay, a little bit later. So that's going to be my key levels right here. And yeah. I will look for entry if I can see another A plus entry, I will take it. A full port. So that's fractal model test. I'm sorry, guys. So still trying to detect this water block. Pretty similar picture. Just need to find another entry, otherwise. Without me. Yes, run this equal highs, equal lows right here. Previous week low is like 5 points away. Cannot find perfect short idea right here, honestly. I like that it's still trying to hold this order block right here. So basically 50% of this OB so far. That's why I still would like to keep original trade idea for short. I will invalidate my idea, I would say, by 50% of this order block. If it wants to be invalidation, that's fine. So I just will stay away, I would say. Yeah. 15-minute T-spot as well for short. 5-minute, 1-minute. Lots of confirmation to move slower to possible daily immediate rebalance right now. I'm sorry, guys. Anyway, guys, let's focus. Same idea with short. Displacement entry with partial and final target right here. Trying to stick to original plan. Okay, looking for displacement right now to jump. I like this reaction from this order block with no displacement, but still solid reaction from 50% of this order block so far. 4 points away from previous week low level on ES. That's my key level, and it was my final target. So let's see. Still same plan, block, still same plan for short. Where is my plan? Oh my god. Okay, you remember my plan, so come on. Same plan with 50% of this order block and targets right here. Once again, waiting for displacement. I'm not in this trade right now since I missed a regional entry. Trying to figure out the problem with my contract. That's fine. So I will wait for displacement to, I would say I hope to get same entry as long as we stay below 50% of this order block. So far, I cannot see like we're trying to react from any fair value gaps. Actually, we got small 1 hour fair value gap, and that's pretty much it. This partial level looks nice for me because we got liquidity level at this partial level right here. NQ. So let's see how we can hold maybe another reaction. So I'm looking for entry, nothing yet. Nothing I like, nothing that worth something. I missed a regional entry right here, so that's fine. Nothing I like right here yet. Maybe only this order block. As I said before, I cannot see any short setup on ES yet. I would say ES never ever offered a short idea, in my opinion, from this price range. And I even did not like this move down right here. Let's see how we can respect this 50%. I'm not on this trade, guys. I missed once again a regional entry. Trying to break above 50% and validating my original idea. Only yes. Offered OB so far. Let's see. Stop fill. Okay, that's fine. Let's see for another entry. Let's look for another entry. Nothing wrong with this. Also a little bit sick. So as you can see, we broke above 50%. So my original fractal model test failed right here, in my opinion already. Absolutely nothing wrong with this. So fractal model test failed. So I would say, yeah, I'm going to put the note. Failed. So in my opinion, we did not take any significant liquidity levels. Yeah. Even if it's going to just barely trace back to this gray box, in my opinion, it's failed. Usually when we got inversion, I don't expect to get a solid retracement up. So usually it's going to be just continuation lower. It's failed. No reason to look for short anymore for me. Yeah, actually, not best one. But anyway, nothing told me like it's going to be reversal up. Let's buy it. Guys, without setup, we are not going to take any trade. Just keep this in mind. We got invalidation of short idea. Now we need to see how we can react from this inversion once again. It's going to be declaimed for a value gap. If it's going to be declaimed for a value gap, then we'll react based on this. We completed candle expansion. I would say it wasn't perfect example of this. Back on ES right now, I would like to see how we can play with ES right now. It is of inversion so far. Also, you trace back to this water block and this immediate rebalance right here. Let me check stat map. Below 4-hour manipulation level right now. We don't have any 2-minute inversions to play something. On both ES and NQ still, yeah, still nothing too long, as well as nothing too short right now. The chase back to equilibrium of previous range. Feel like absolutely nothing worse of my risk, but once again, if I see invalidation of this, I mean strong displacement right now, maybe I will change my mind. It's silver bullet time, but honestly I did not see like, okay, maybe it was silver bullet right here, fractal model confirmation. Are you serious? I'm not long right now. Guys, maybe I missed something. So one potential setup that I saw, unfortunately I missed this, but it was this short from here to actually to here. As you can see, reversed back to this inversion, and honestly, I'm ready to invalidate this idea right now. Also, it broke above 50% of this order block right here. So yeah, I'm ready to invalidate it. Instead, structure invalidated. I would say what I would like to see right now on ES, back on ES. So basically the test of this previous day low level. So there's going to be like quick move up to previous day low level. If you may stay above this level with minor retracement, so it will look like this. So right now, our key level is going to be back on ES, so original idea is going to be previous day low level right here. That's the plan. So if I would like to long ES, I need to see a reaction from previous day low, minor retracement, then continuation higher. So basically we got this IM session sell side buy side liquidity. And yeah, first we will see how we react from previous day low level. So that's major liquidity right now. So let's be patient right now. I'm going to move this. So first I would like to see the test of previous day low level. Only what makes sense. So basically RTH test, another RTH test of this level. Let me read the chat. Quick 30 points gain. Perfect. Cup and handle. I don't know what is this. 50% of previous day candle. Okay. Market maker buy model of equilibrium of previous. Maybe. So totally possible. No interest in long NQ. Only yes. As I said before at the beginning of Steam, if I want to long, I will long yes only. Next question. 30-point gain, not possible. Okay. When you enter a displacement, you usually stop out at retracement. So you must put your stop loss at above or above order block if you look for short, or above 50% of order block if you look for short. So far, nothing worth it, honestly. Well, I'm going to continue waiting for something. Yesterday was tough price action, in my opinion. It was hard for me. Right now, it's not easy as well. But once again, if I want to long, I will long once again only ES. Idea will be only right here, not right here. Now I would like to see quickly test of previous day low level. That's pretty much it. I'm sorry, guys. You got my market maker PDF other day. There is any other PDFs? Not really, no. All in one PDF. Next question. I guess I cannot save this as template. I mean, I need to put like red. I mean, it's much easier. I cannot save like all magnets right here, unfortunately. Like I need 6 magnets with rainbow color. I cannot do this. Yes, first trade idea was stop loss. Fortunately, I wasn't able to enter this trade because of my ninja trader, but once again, I would take this loss. Probably. It's like 15, 16 point stop loss, if I'm not mistaken. Sunday trading strategy. Okay, I remember your question you asked me on Twitter. Okay, Sunday, I don't really expect to trade Sunday when, for example, imagine 6 p.m. We got like Sunday open, and if it just immediately starts going higher without any wick down, so basically it's trying to form on 15-minute chart, no wick candle low or high, depends on where we start dropping or going higher. This means most likely we are going to go also, let's say we got open 6 p.m. open on Sunday. So basically we don't have any wick down yet. Perfect, amazing. What next? After this, I would like to see continuation higher, and I would like to see like solid move up after this. And once I saw 5-minute structure, absolutely zero reason to trust 1-minute chart for this. once I saw 1 minute, 5-minute structure, basically 5-minute change in the state of delivery or inversion fair value gap, I will short. And most of the time, you will see that equilibrium of previous day range will be below new week opening gap. So I will aim for basically new week opening gap, especially weekly open, and then I will aim for equilibrium of previous day range. That's only when I trade equilibrium of previous day range on Sunday. But let's say we got expansion on Sunday and equilibrium of previous day range never was taken on Sunday. So this means Monday will offer this move, expansion. So basically, I will look for a short on Monday to aim for equilibrium of previous range. I don't really like to trade. I don't really like to trade Sunday, honestly, but still it's tradable when we got, for example, open on Sunday and then move all the way up without any wick down. For example, on 15-minute candle. That's solid. Any other questions? Oh, you made perfect money today. I made $0. It's also perfect money. I would say still below previous day low level. Still would like to see this retest. Interesting to see today. Could be first day of my losing trade, honestly. For this month. It's 10:53, so I don't trade after 11 usually. My free PDF actually in description of my video, so in the stream, go to description of my stream, you will find, if not mistaken, it's called like PDF or something like this. That's it. I got one trade idea. It was invalidated, so fortunately I wasn't able to take this trade. Fortunately. Now I'm waiting for the test of previous day low level on ES. With minor retracement down, then I will try long. Yeah, basically we got fractal model test, so it was trade idea. Based on my model, I saw nothing yet. So, but idea was based on fractal model right here. It's not really failed. We actually dropped, but not what I expected to get. It dropped like 30 points maybe. Okay, guys, we got the test of previous day low level right now. So right now it's very important to see how big retracement will be. If it's going to be minor retracement, then most likely it's going to be continuation higher. Stat map. What I can see on 2-minute chart from 4-hour distribution level, we got, oops, let me delete this. We got 2-minute inversion right here. With this 2-minute inversion, it immediately delivered us, let me hide drawings right here. So basically from this 2-minute inversion for a value gap, it immediately delivers us to 4-hour open. So opposite for our manipulation level will be at 347. So far, it's not big retracement, but still retracement from previous day low level. Still nothing worse. As you can see, it was fractal model test. So basically, we tested this. I did not see my model today at all. So I decided to just test this, and my trade idea was based on only on this model. That's it. So just to see. So it's sometimes it's good to forward test. I guess nothing wrong with this. It's still minor retracement, but if it's going to retrace back to discount, it's going to be a bigger retracement, so it's not perfect for long anymore. Still minor retracement. I use order blocks in displacement most of the time. Unfortunately, I cannot say I saw perfect order block with displacements. So pretty much nothing. You did not understand my equilibrium of quarter to daily cycle. I will explain one day, I guess. I'm going to record the video about my model. It's not going to be today, but because my kids are still sick and I'm sick, looks like. So I will do this once my presentation will be ready. So I started presentation, but still it's just like 2 slides right there. I will work on this. Fractal model. If not mistaken, C Trades on his YouTube channel explains this. You can check this out. I forward tested just one idea and it's failed as well. Unfortunately. So far, still minor retracement. And give me 1 second. And if it's going to be just minor retracement from this previous day low level with break above this level, it's going to be I would say bullish sign. I prefer to stay away from trading after 11, but still, yesterday, yes, offered absolutely amazing setup after 11. I don't mind to look for potential entry. Just solid break above previous day low level with stop loss slightly below previous day low level will be nice. Futures New York open price action. It was hard, yes. Not going to argue with it was hard. Let's remove some levels. So basically that's 0.75. Lines obvious. 50% of fair value gap. So I would like to clean my chart a little bit. Still makes sense to leave these levels right here. If in QMA go right here, at least to 50% of this week, it will be amazing. I mean, so far this month I did not have any losing trades. Fortunately, maybe I'm lucky. I don't know, but fortunately I did not have any losing trades. Hello, hello. Look, trade idea is like by default not financial advice. So that's why I put this trade idea equals I'm in, right? So trade idea is not financial advice. So I like the displacement right here, looking for potential entry on ES. Once again, I will use idea with break above previous day low level with plus minor retracement, absolutely amazing. Break above this 1 minute inversion. It's not really inversion, that's reclaimed for value gap. Okay, guys, additional idea with long back to IM session buy side liquidity are still valid. So let's see. We'll try to be careful, but where is my... It may offer almost 10 points with stop loss at 50% of this OB. Guys, I'm going to read the chat a little bit later, so let's focus right now. Main question, I guess that's too much to ask. On NQ, I would like to see reaction from this for open, maybe minor retracement, but not necessary, and move to this for our manipulation level. As you can see, EA is still below daily open, NQ already above this level. I'm not sure if it's legally safe. That's why I said I'm not like signal service, because it's not illegal, right? To be a signal service on YouTube. That's why I said trade idea. Trade idea, it's not like signal, right? It's just like trade idea. And I can be sure, like, I'm not going to provide any signals based on this. Yeah. It's just trade idea. I'm not sure if it's legally safe, honestly. I just not sure how I need to say if I'm a trade or not. So far while we're waiting, let's highlight daily open on ES. So we would like to see break above daily open right here on ES. So what I would like to see, that's my trade idea right here. So this is what I would like to see. Also we got flat candle right here. It's already 11, so of course it's kind of hard to trust this, but still. Let's remove this from minutes chart and from second chart. So it will be my trade idea. That's what I will take based on this order block. If we may hold this, I will take it. I will aim for IM session buy side liquidity. I would say like this. Not IM buy side, IM session buy side liquidity, but for this flat candle as conservative target. And then, I mean, IM session buy side liquidity, and I'm not sure about about London high right now. But at this point, since we anticipate to get move higher on NQ, this move up makes sense, right? So basically, that's daily open is going to be key level. Oops, key level right here. I don't know if TP number 1. Needs to break daily open as well. So needs to see strong. I like this retracement down right here. So let me switch on ES right now. Chart ES on my Ninja Trader. So what I like right here is a strong break above previous day low level. Right now, all I need to see is continuation higher to daily open. Once daily open broken with a solid up close candle 1 minute chart, immediately aim for flat candle right here. So flat candle is going to be buy side liquidity. And that's pretty much it. This is for runners since I'm not sure about London high. Honestly, easy target, but not sure. Trying to retrace where expected to get retracement. Order block. That's 1 minute order block. So right now, with the trace, we're anticipated to get the retracement of this order block. Now, if we may displace, I will take it. Trying to displace. Nice, nice, nice. Nice displacement right here. All the way up to this key level. Oh my god. Oh my god. Flat candle. Oh my god. Are you serious? That's crazy. That's... What? I jumped this trade, but it was like right here. Crazy. That's crazy. It was kind of quick, but unexpected. Not bad. Look at this, to the tick from my potential entry, like to the tick. How is it possible? Just who can tell me, how is it possible? Crazy. But, well, look to the tick from my entry. Oh my god. I was like, I cannot even react from here. I jumped right here, but it was market order. Yeah. Trade idea, as said before, if I made a trace. Crazy. Immediate displacement, that's why I entered right here. It was kind of late, but TP number 1 was delivered immediately. That's crazy. I barely was able to put my target right here. That's crazy. Good money. Anyway. I'm going to trail my stop rate. Oh, that's crazy. Just like, I cannot find any words to describe this price action. Crazy. Patience pace is like crazy. I'm so happy with my discipline, guys. I'm so happy with this. It's like, that's crazy. That's crazy. Like, amazing. Discipline. I mean, look at in Q, guys. I'm so happy with my discipline. I'm not going to lie. So I was looking for this entry right here, but honestly, I did not expect it's going to be that quick. After this, it offered immediate displacement. I entered right here. Maybe it was a little bit late, but that's crazy. Look at this, where we are right now. Look, oh my god, I just cannot find any words right here. Not right here. Look at this. How is it possible? Look at the stat map chart. It's just crazy. I'm so happy. Like, I followed my plan originally. That's amazing. Look how 2-minute inversion for a value gap offered with... Oh my god, that's like... I don't have any words to describe this. Where is my... That's crazy. It's just like, okay, we got, for example, losing trade, but immediately recovered this. Because what? Because we trade our model. That's why we must trade only what our model. It was quick TP. Honestly, for ES, it's so hard to say it was like quick. Well, that's why I always say, try to find your model and only trade this. Follow your plan, trade this. I traded ES. I said at the beginning of the stream. As you can see, we got fractal. We decided to test fractal model, and it's not our model, right? Come on. It's just crazy. Yeah, I copied trades. Actually, I have 20 Apex accounts, but for some reason I trade 16 because I'm scared to trade 20. Basically, right now, it was my model right here. I know it's like only $700, but it's on 16 accounts. I don't know what happened because I said it's straight idea. Maybe because market maker decided, okay, she was waiting for like 2 hours for her trade. Let's go to the moon. I don't know. Can I move your stop? Of course, move your stop loss above daily open right now. It's not financial advice, just friendly recommendation. Yes, that's why I said I'm not going to trade after 11 a.m. But if they want to offer this setup, I will take it. So I try this. Happy with my performance, honestly. It's like another green day. I even like hard to trust this. Funny to see, guys. Right here we got trade idea based on not on our model, but right here just actually our trade model right here, right? And see, my entry was I put this potential entry even before this happened, like to the tick. It's already 4-hour trade initially. Is that crazy? I said if you made a trace, I will take it. And I was like, why it's so fast? I cannot even react right now. Crazy. I was like, what? It was news or what? I don't know. It was crazy. Review. Yeah, I need to. Yeah, I record review. I hope. It's like another 10K day for me. Crazy. You even see where we stuck right now. How's that map played out right here? We got 2-minute inversion from this daily 4-hour bullish manipulation all the way up right here. If they want to deliver us to London high, it's going to be crazy. It's going to be absolutely amazing patience right now. Like 8-hour trade will be. It's not for me because already closed. But anyway, that's amazing. I'm not like happy with my winning trade. I'm happy with my performance that I really can't wait for my setup. So even if I don't trade after 11 a.m., I saw my setup and like, why not to try this? Yeah, it could be losing trade right here. But fortunately, I did not take it, fortunately. And got winning trade right here. Absolutely amazing. Now, ideally to continue going to London high. Why I would like to see London high? Since London low was taken on both yes and NQ run London high as well. Makes sense right now to try at least to offer an attempt to run London high. So I will expect if it wants to retrace lower, I would like to see a continuation higher to take London high on a yes. Yes, I will do giveaway of this indicator just later, maybe in 2025. So just no reason to do the giveaway every single week. But guys, where is my I have an idea, guys. As you all know, I'm not sure if you can see, I have this kind of it's like a keyboard and your mouse pad. See this? It's like with lots of tips and tricks based on ICT Concept. Maybe we want to do this giveaway? Hmm? Do we want this? It's like it's so boring to give away like only funded accounts. It's like much more interesting to give away something cool. Yes, across the world. I mean, yeah, I already gave away book, MyFundedFutures, indicator. Need to create something new, right? It's too boring to give away just only funded, not funded evaluation accounts. It's okay, you can participate, Brian. Then imagine you won, like you put this on your desk and you took a picture, send this picture to me. Yeah, I'm creative. Just it's just too boring to give away just on the evaluation accounts. But I personally use this. I don't know if you can see this. I personally use this desk map as well. So your main monitor. Maybe one day I will give away monitors, but maybe one day. Let me look 5-minute chart. I'm looking at 5-minute chart. We got fair value gap right there. Oh, you mean yes, right? So it's a little bit bigger retracement, but still valid. So I don't have any runner, so I'll close my trade at TP2 right here. It was like for runner, but once again, I didn't have time to enter with lots of contracts. I was like, no way, I need to rush. How my book was called. I'm sorry, guys. You will find this description to this video. So basically, open, scroll down, and I hope you will find this. So far, perfect reaction from this manipulation level. Solid reaction on both ES and NQ with stimulant inversion. So basically, for our levels, this setup play out. But it's not only because actually when we have confirmation, hello. Actually, when we have confirmation of like stat map and your model, it's going to be even stronger. I'm going to record separate video with my model. Any trades, we took these trades, with this trade on ES. This is what I made today, so I don't know why I always have different profit, honestly. Secret lab chair, okay. It seems comfortable, by the way. It also has pillow. I'm going to give 1 second. It also has pillow. It has magnet right here. It's, by the way, it's perfect. Sleepage, yeah, maybe, but I don't really use this. I asked my husband to buy me a pink chair, but he bought this one. I was like, why it's not pink? Yeah, I'm going to record the video about my model, guys. Any other questions? It's comfortable, so comfortable. So I also have another chair. It's also expensive, but it's not that comfortable like this. We will backtest when we have bank holiday, and it's going to, I hope it's going to be next week. What we are going to backtest, guys, together, we are going to backtest this. So basically, I'm not going to provide like 101% win rate strategy, but I would like to backtest this just together, okay? Let's collect some data so to understand probability, actually. Where do you live now? In Florida. Basically, I always executed my first model is twins model, but it works perfect for CL, for example. But I prefer to execute based on order blocks, as you all know. I don't usually execute based on fair value gaps, and I will explain in my video how I trade order blocks. Do you know Patrick Willand? Yes, I know him. My win rate, okay. It's great actually this month. So basically, let me hide this. That's my this is my account, my personal account, live account for this month. All I can say, not lots of people ready to show this. I'm ready to show this. That's my personal account. That's my win rate for this month. I have no idea what this means. Actually, I had just like one losing trade with like $25. I got perfect week last week. But all I can say, not lots of YouTubers or who sells courses ready to show this to everyone. I'm ready to show this. It was 11K. Just last week was perfect for me. Last week was perfect for me. Yes, I used order block as my main entry. That's it. So order blocks, I don't use fair value gaps, but it doesn't mean like fair value gaps don't work. It works, just not for me. Yes, I stream daily actually, just not on Monday, 4 times a week. Yesterday I got break even on my Apex accounts. Today I got, after break even, actually it wasn't break even, it was like $90 if not mistaken, something like this. But today is much better. But I consider myself as transparent, pretty much transparent trader. I have nothing to hide. If I'm going to take losing trade, I swear to God, I'm going to show you. I don't have losing trades this month at all. I just show you. I did not have any losing trades. But once again, guys, keep in mind, never ever. How did you understand this? Actually, I show my losing trades when I have them. Just I don't stream. I did not stream when I have them. If you don't like it, I can take losing trades for you if you would like. I mean, that's fine. Guys, I provide trade idea. If it's going to like be a losing trade, I'm going to show you because I provide a trade idea and call this as trade idea. You want to? Oh my God, that's not fair. Okay, first trade idea that I provided. Fortunately, I wasn't in this trade, but it wasn't based on my model. So this was based on my model. Yes, I waited for this displacement. Basically, when I was looking for this entry, I was like, I'm going to enter displacement. Immediately offer displacement right here with reaction, and I jumped. Okay, I don't make like, I made maybe like $100 from streaming. I don't know, it's like millions. Let me count my millions. It's like $100. I don't make a lot, by the way, from affiliates. I wish I could make a lot, but unfortunately not. I made more money from trading. Like, I don't know. I don't make a lot from affiliates or from streaming. From streaming, I made like $100. A little bit more last month. I don't know how much it's going to be this month. A lot. Let me count my millions, guys. I have no idea how much streamers actually making from streaming. I have no idea. A lot? YouTube pays a lot? I don't know. Maybe I'm not that popular that it's like only $100. I don't know. Maybe I need to have lots of followers. I don't know. I'm not really care about this. I mean, I don't care. But notice, guys, I never ask you to buy something from me, or I'm not going to tell you, okay, join my Discord to understand my model. I never actually say that, right? I share everything I know with you. and ask nothing. Yeah, I mean, I have affiliates, but I don't make a lot. I don't know, maybe I need to promote this somehow. Just all I want to say, guys, never ever join any Discords to learn something, okay? Everything is available on YouTube for free. For free. I will do it. I guess I will record separate video with recap. I was trading from 2021. It's like a little bit more than 3 years. Especially ICT Concept. I started with small caps. It's like stocks, but it was in 2020, by the way. December 2020. This means you don't need any Discords. Come on. That's what I want to say, guys. You don't need any Discords. As well as you don't need to buy any courses. I'm sorry, guys. See, I mean, I do need to see, like, buy something to understand something and learn something. On NQ, did you see 5-minute inversion set for? Yes, basically I saw 2-minute inversion, which sent us for our manipulation level. Yeah, I will steam tomorrow IM session. Maybe IM session may offer something. Maybe we'll steam PM session since it's like FOMC. Because I noticed post FOMC price action is amazing, especially like between 3 and 3:30 p.m. So we will see. We will start with IM session, then we will see. Basically right here, see, we got the 2-minute chart. We got for our open, move down, basically below for our open, 2-minute inversion, and delivery to opposite manipulation level. Tomorrow will be crazy. Possibly, I don't know. Basically, both trying to respect for our manipulation level. That's actually crazy. So that's why I like to at least consider these levels as potential confirmation. Touch some grass tomorrow. I mean, you don't want to talk with me tomorrow? Just let's have some fun. We don't need to trade tomorrow. We can like have perfect conversation. Great question about yeah. Let's talk tomorrow about nothing. You have to work tomorrow. Actually, we can have, if it's going to be boring price action during AM session, we can actually have charting session. So actually, we will add some levels on our chart. Since yesterday I was like, oh my god, I need to delete all levels and redraw them again. So I wasn't able to redraw all levels. So actually, we can have charting session tomorrow. She's very funny. Yeah, thank you. I saw another question. Give me 1 second about bias for the week. Yeah, that's a great question because if it wasn't like the end of the year, I would say I would like to sell all week, like. But main question if they really wants to drop by the end of the year. That's main question. So I'm not really sure about my bias. Yeah, yeah. It's actually warm. Because I got a cold bath today, an ice bath today, and I was like, oh my god, it's so cold today. But it's hot right now. I will record separate video about this entry on ES. Pretty much it. Yeah, tomorrow we can talk about like simple stuff. Flat candles. I saw someone ask me about equilibrium of quote-unquote daily cycle. Giveaway tomorrow. Maybe Friday. Maybe Friday. Tomorrow will be hard. I'm not sure how IM session is going to be, honestly. But we'll see. So we don't know yet. Now, main question, if ES really wants to deliver us to London high, and I would say this kind of makes sense in terms of understanding liquidity levels based on London kill zone, so or Asia kill zone. At this point, makes sense. Since ES and NQ run London low and NQ run London high, makes sense to run London high on ES, and that's why I would like to keep my eyes on London high still. Even better to see New York midnight open, but maybe I'm asking too much. So maybe. But London high is a conservative level. Holiday plans. No idea. I have kids, so my kids feeling better. But I'm not like perfect right now. Yeah, I saw some people. Let me hide this from. We don't really need this anymore for today. I saw some people confused with my equilibrium of previous range, but let's see. Usually try to open 1 hour chart, it's easy to see. And what you want to do, use this vertical line right here, day 17, right? So basically, from midnight to midnight, where's my another vertical line? So here's your range, yesterday range, from New York midnight to New York midnight, from 16 to 17, December 16 to December 17. So as you can see, I used low that was formed at midnight at 12 a.m. and all the way up to the high that was formed yesterday at 3 p.m. So basically, you may highlight from low to high or from high to low. It's up to you. 50% is right here. Make sense? Yeah, maybe. So maybe we are asking too much for price action today, but I'm looking for continuation higher. Preferably. And daily open on Q. So basically, we are like 50 points away from daily open and 7 points away from London high. Second inversion. Okay. We will see. Kind of stuck at 15-minute fair value gap, bullish fair value gap so far on NQ. Ideally to see some speed once we can break it. To daily open, New York midnight open, and Asia low. That's like 3 key levels, which is by the way pretty close to each other. You would like to find. Do you show deviations with your? Yeah, of course I can show you. You ask me. You trying to ask me about manipulation leg? I'm not from Russia, so I don't miss Russia. So here's settings for standard deviations. That's manipulation leg once again. Manipulation leg. You can take screenshot or just take a photo of it. I'm from Belarus. From Belarus. It's next to Russian, but it's not from Russia. But first language is Russian. Need to see some speed, as I said before, above 15-minute fair value gap to deliver to daily open. I need to see London high so bad. For my original trade idea, it's going to be 8-hour trade. As I said before, from trading, I make more money from trading rather from selling. I don't know, like Discord groups or something like this. At this moment, I don't make a lot from YouTube. It's like $100. Russian lessons every day. You know what is hard? It's hard to give me Russian lessons because I started learning trading in English. It's so hard for me to translate this somehow and explain this in Russian. Come on, free Russian lessons. I mean, I have Russian people in my group, but we speak English right there. They understand me, I understand them. Oh, your husband from Belarus? My husband from Belarus, and I'm from Belarus, but my kids are American. Yeah, see how equilibrium produced range reacted today, especially after expansion, right? Interesting reaction so far. I was in Belarus 8 years ago, so it was a long time ago. From Minsk, so yeah. Do you prefer east or west? So actually, if someone asked me where I want to live, I would say I would like to move back to North Carolina. It's like, but guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel since we are going to do lots of giveaways. And tomorrow I'm going to stream again. Can you show your setup? I'm going to record separate video for this. North Carolina, okay. Actually, I lived in Miami, in Hollywood. Then I moved to North Carolina because I studied, I was at university right there. After university, it was kind of cold for my kids and for my husband, and we decided to move back to Florida. But North Carolina is amazing. I don't know, I feel like so comfortable right there. And when people ask me why, I don't know why. No, I don't want to move back to Miami. Never, ever. I live in Space Coast. By the way, yesterday at 8 p.m. we were watching rocket launch. It was amazing. So I can see like a rocket launch. It's like rocket is like flying like on my house. It was perfect. But once again, we went to the beach and we watching rocket launch. It was amazing. Unfortunately, I guess I did not take any pictures, but it was amazing. Space Coast. I live in Melbourne, next to Vieira. It's not really cold in North Carolina for me. I hate when it's so hot. And like Space Coast is not that hot as, for example, Miami, Fort Lauderdale. Yeah, it's hot right there. I don't want to back right there because my son was born in Hollywood, and he was born in August. It was so hot. I'm not that cool to have like a fun meetings, but once again, guys, if you live in Florida, I will be happy to meet with you. Like, why not? If you, for example, in Orlando, we can meet right there. Or, oh, you live in Daytona Beach? Yeah, perfect. It's not that far, by the way. It took me like 2 hours to drive a couple of months ago there because you got something for kids. It was like dinosaur. museum or something like this. So I was in Daytona Beach. It's not hard to drive there. But for example, we love to visit Kennedy Space Center. We like to visit Orlando Science Center. So with kids, of course. Not Disneyland, because guys, I'm not ready to spend my whole my life on this Disneyland yet. Without kids, maybe, but with kids, no. My hobbies. Okay, I like taking pictures. It's like I guess my favorite hobby right here. But also I like to play basketball. So by the way, before trading, I was a basketball coach for little kids. So I was like, my kids actually have lots of classes right now. For example, their classes. But I was like, on Friday we have nothing. Maybe I need to teach them basketball. So I was like, I can try. It's so hard for me to teach my kids because I want to kill them when they don't want to listen to me. But I can give it a chance. You're a new trader. Okay. You are a new ICT trader, or you're new in trading? Like you're a new trader. If ICT trader, I highly recommend to start from ICT channel, ICT YouTube channel. So it makes a little bit more sense. ICT trader. Okay. If you want to follow my syllabus, actually I posted this on Twitter. Mm, I have syllabus on my Twitter if you want to study this. Yeah, it's Russian jokes. Yes, exactly. I'm not sure how American jokes about this, but come on, all kids are similar. Yeah, it was my entry right here. Yeah. I did not have time to calculate my risk honestly right here. I was like, I was sure since I can see displacement, it's going to it's going to be continuation higher. I was like, okay, I have two contracts, I'm going to jump. It was kind of fast. Did not have time to even think about this. Stocks, it's not easier to trade in my opinion. So I started with small caps and it was hard. So I was like, I need to look for on scanners. I need to find stocks that I want to trade, and it's hard. So I need to be quick. So every single day I'm going to trade different stocks. It's much easier to just open ES because I have levels right there. I know where I would like to trade from where to where. It's easier than stocks, in my opinion. I trade ES, NQ, CL, and sometimes gold. Do you invest in crypto? Actually, from 2017, yes. So basically, how to shift your, for example, when you, let's say you have budget bias, how you want to switch to back to bullish. You must understand where your idea will be invalidated. So what will invalidate your short idea? For example, in my opinion, it was order block. So closure above order block in discount above 50% already means bullish sign. For example, today, why I switch from bearish to bullish when I saw this invalidation. I guess everyone have Bitcoin. Yes. What is your win rate? I don't like to talk about this. I already showed my stats for this month. So win rate, yeah, perfect, but you can be profitable even with like 30% win rate. So it's doesn't make sense to talk about this. Okay, guys. I guess we can be done for today. We still want to keep our eyes on this London high and daily open on NQ. I don't know how much time it's going to take, but I'm going to talk with you tomorrow. If once again tomorrow is going to be boring, we are going to have charts and sessions. So basically, we can visit all levels and we can highlight all these levels on our chart. Okay. I will see you tomorrow, son. no reason to sit right here. I don't know how much time it's going to take to continue going higher. Tomorrow will be, if it's going to be boring once again, we're just going to have some charts in session. Highlight some levels on my chart. I will explain why I would like to use them, and so on. If no more questions, guys, tomorrow at 9:15. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. If any other questions, once again, don't ask me on Instagram. Send me a message on Twitter. Okay? Okay, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow.